Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to crochet a scarf today guys, and I want you to join me. Everybody is welcome. Okay, for the materials, I will be using a number 4 medium weight yarn. This is by Lion brand. You can use any color of your choice. And for the hook, I am going to use size I 5.5mm crochet hook and scissor and also the yarn needle. Okay, we are going to begin with the chain of 24. Make a knot and then chain 24. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. Okay, I have my 24 chains, and for the first row I am going to make 2 double crochet into the 4th chain of the back ridge. Okay, this is the front, and at the back 1 2 3 4 over here into the 4th chain I am going to make 2 double crochet. One, two. Now we are going to use the back ridges only all the way to the end of the row. Okay, we are going to skip the next back ridge, and into the next back ridge we are going to make 2 double crochet. Skip this and into the next make 2 double crochet. 1 2, and we are going to repeat this pattern across. Skip the next back ridge, 2 double crochet into the next back ridge. 1 2, skip the next back ridge and 2 double crochet into the next. We are going to repeat this across. Okay, for the last 2 chains here we have the last 2 back ridge left. Into the very last we're going to skip the next, and then into the very last we're going to make 1 double crochet. All right, so now we have 2 4 6 8 10 groups of 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet here in this end and 1 double crochet on the other end. Okay, now for the row 2 we are going to make a chain of 3, and then we are going to turn our work like that, and we are going to make 2 double crochet in between of these 2 double crochet group. 2 double crochet there, 1 and 2. Okay, you got it guys? Now in between the next group of double crochet again over here, these 2 group in between, make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Now in between of the next group again, make 2 double crochet, 1 2 and it's gonna be look like this. The bottom is forming as a V stitch. All right, so we're going to continue this across. Repeat the same pattern across. Okay, on top of the very last double here, we are going to make one double crochet. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We have 10 of the 2 double crochet group, 1 double crochet here on this end, and 1 double crochet on the other end. All right, now we are going to go to row 3, make a chain 3, and turn your work. And in between this first group of double again, we are going to make 2 double crochet. 1 2. So we are forming the V stitch again at the bottom of this this 2 double, and in between of the next group, make 2 double crochet, and we are going to continue this across the same pattern. 2 double crochet into each between of 2 double crochet and between of each 2 double crochet group. Go ahead guys and continue it across, repeating the same pattern. And make into the very last double here, we do like before, make 1 double crochet there. Okay, now we have 2 4 6 8 10, the same number of 2 double crochet group, and 1 double crochet here at the end and 1 double crochet here at the other end. Okay, you got it guys. Now we are going to go to the row 4, make a chain 3, and then turn your work again and make 2 double crochet in between the first 2 double crochet group. 1 2, and we are going to repeat it across again. And make 1 double crochet on top of the last double. All right, now guys, I want you to repeat this last row that we just finished until you have the measurement of 64 inches long, and make sure to begin each row with chain 3 and turn your work and continue the same pattern across. Okay, just repeat this last row that we just finished back and forth until you have 64 inches long, and I will meet you for the next row. Alright guys, I finished my 64 inches long for the body of the scarf, and now I want you to cut a 10 inches long of 44 pieces strand. Okay, cut 44 pieces of 10 inches long strands, and after you cut that 44 pieces, I want you to divide it into two groups. So for one group is 22 and the other group is 22 pieces. And after you finish that guys, I will show you how to join the fringe. Okay, alright guys, I finished cutting my 44 pieces of 10 inches long strands. Now let me show you how to join the fringe. Okay, let's go to the other side, other end. This is the beginning of the beginning row of the scarf. Okay, the chain 24. So go into that side of the scarf, the beginning row, and pick up 2 pieces of strand, fold it into half, and then using this the same hook, I am going to insert my hook in between this first double and the group of 2 double. In between, insert hook there, grab that strand of yarn, pull through, and before you insert this, make sure that all ends are aligned like that, and then pull it and insert it there and pull to tighten it. Okay, don't worry about this, we can just go ahead and wave it with the yarn needle later. Okay, and then pick up another one, another group of strand, 2 piece, and we are going into this chain 1 space here in between these groups. Insert hook, pull through, and align the ends, and insert here and pull. Okay, we are going to repeat this across using each chain 1 spaces across. Okay, all right. Go ahead guys and continue this across, and I will meet you at the very end there. Okay, now at the very last part, pick up the last group of 2 strand, and in between this last double, okay, this last double crochet and this group of double in between, we are going to insert hook there, pull the yarn, and lock it. Okay, this is how it looks like. And if you think that the end of your fringe is not aligned, you can just go ahead and trim it with the scissor, because I'm sure that one is longer than the other. Okay, now prepare the next group of the strands, and I will show you how to put the other end of the scarf. Alright, for this side, this is the very last row that I made for the body of the scarf. And pick up your fringe, 2 pieces of 10 inches long, just like the other side. And we are going to insert hook in between this group of double and the first double crochet there in between. Insert hook there, and then align the tip of your strand. We are going to do the same like before for the other side. Okay. All right, now pick up another strands, and we are going to use this space in between the double crochet groups. Okay, this space, this space, this space, this space, all the way across. So we're going to continue that. Can you see it? Okay. Sorry guys, my table is too small. That's why I have to make sure my things won't fall. Okay, go ahead and continue attaching your fringe. Okay, for the last piece, we're going to join it like before from the other side. In between of this group and this double, insert hook there. And we are going to do the same. Okay. Now, like I said, if you want to trim it, you can go ahead and trim it. Alright. Okay, so we finished another project, guys. This is how it looks like at the end of the both side of the scarf. Okay, and this is how the body looks like. The pattern is really nice, and it is back to back, guys. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It is back to back. So okay, thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. I hope you like it, and please like and share my videos, and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet for more videos to come. And also thank you so much, guys, for helping me to grow my small channel. I already have more than 12,000 subscribers, and I'm hoping that there will be more to come. Thank you so much, guys, and see you for my next tutorial. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that I wanted to make a matching beanie for this, so I will be posting this first, and then the next video will be the beanie. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much. God bless you all.